Okay, let's begin with sum number 2 of exercise 11.2. This practice at 11.2. Now here they say the number of boys and girls in standard 5 to standard 8 in a ZP school is given in the table. Draw a subdivided bar graph to show the data. Now remember, this is subdivided. In this chapter, you have two types of graphs. One is subdivided and the other one is percentage. Now we'll learn how to draw a subdivided bar graph. This table I have copied it here. Okay, so once you copy the table down, first thing you have to do is you have to draw an additional column down, and that column is the total column. So first you have to do the total. So 34 plus 17, 7 plus 4, 11. So you get 51. 26 and 14 is 40. 21 and 14 gives us 35. And 25 and 20 gives us 45. So done. Once you get your total, we'll start drawing the bar graph now. Now, see, I have already drawn the axis over here, the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, so the x-axis, okay, I hope it's visible now, x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, x-axis, y-axis done, and this is 0 here. So now the scale given to us is on y-axis 1 centimeter is 10 students. So we'll write it here, scale on y-axis. All right. This is our y-axis, right? On y-axis, they're saying 1 centimeter is equal to 10 students. All right. So first of all, the very most important thing is write your scale here. So 1 centimeter is 10 students. So let's begin. So here 10, then 20, 30. So this column is of 1 centimeter. So just 1 is 10. So you just go on writing, leave 10, 10, like 10, 20, 30, then 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I think this should be enough for us. Highest is 51. So 80 is enough for us. So now what we'll do is, see here, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. So we need 4 columns. The 5th column is total should be 51. Okay. 6th is total is 40. 7th is 35 and 8th is 45. So first we'll draw this 51, 40, 35 and 45. So 5th one. 5th is 51. So 51 will be here. 50 plus 1 tiny box on top. Okay, so this is our 51. Okay, 51. Then 6th is 40. 6th is 40 means 6th is 40. So 6th will come here. I'll leave one block here. First I'll draw the total column. Then I'll divide it. Okay, so 6th is 40. 7th is 35. The total of 7th is 35. So 30, between 30 and 40, this big line will be 35, dark line. Okay, so 7th is 35. 8th is 45. This is 7th. 8th is 45. So it will be between 40 and 50. Between 40 and 50, 45. Alright. So we've done the total thing now. 8th. I'll just show you this. See, 51, 40, 35, 45. Now we have to divide. 5th we are having 34 and 17. You can see in the textbook also. 34 and 17. So now 34 are boys and 17 girls. So what we'll do is 30 and these tiny lines you can see above 30, see 4 tiny lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this till here you have boys. Now what we'll do is we'll draw a slant line here to indicate that this slanted portion is boys. So we have to show it here also. So the slanted thing stand for boys and the plain one is for girls. So in scale we need to mention that. Okay, so here I said it's 34. So 34 4, just adjust this. Yeah, 34. So 30 and small 4 lines on top, so it makes 34. Slanted one, we label it as for boys. The next one is 26 boys. 20 and 6. So 20 is here, 25 is here. So one line above 25 is this one. Okay, so this stands for boys. So we'll draw those slant lines here. Then next is 21 and 14. 21 and 14. So 21 boys. So what we'll do is 20 and one line. Okay. So this is boys and this plain thing will be for girls. So I'll draw the slant line. The last one is 25 and 50. So boys 25. So 25 means here this line. Between 25 and 30, that dark line is 25. Between 20 and 30, the dark line is 25. So draw lines. So done. So this stands for boys and this plain part stands for girls. Now this is called a subdivided bar graph.